These are my new noise canceling headphones. They can fold inward to be able to store better if needed. They have super cushiony ears, and it says what ear it should be on, so right and left. And then your power button is right here with your charging ports, and then you turn it on. Let me see if I can get this to where you can hear it. When you, as you can see, the light was turning blue right there when you click this on. And then on this side, you have your pause button, and then your volume button. They fit my head really well, and they are super comfortable. I love that the band up here is padded, and then also you can adjust it this way as well. Overall, these are a really great version of noise canceling headphones. If you are looking for an affordable option, I would recommend these ones.